What if I told you there's an animal whose howl can travel up to 10 miles, lives by strict family rules, and hunts with incredible teamwork? Meet the wolf, one of the most intelligent and powerful predators on Earth. In this video, you'll discover 50 amazing wolf facts that will completely change the way you see this legendary animal. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Wolves are the largest members of the dog family. Fact number 2. Their scientific name is Canis lupus. Fact number 3. Wolves live in North America, Europe, and Asia. Fact number 4. The gray wolf is the most common wolf species. Fact number 5. Wolves are highly intelligent animals. Fact number 6. They live in family groups called packs. Fact number 7. A wolf pack is led by experienced parents. Fact number 8. Pack members work together to survive. Fact number 9. Wolves communicate by howling. Fact number 10. A wolf's howl can be heard up to 10 miles, 16 kilometers away. Fact number 11. They also communicate through body language. Fact number 12. Wolves have an excellent sense of smell. Fact number 13. Their sense of smell is much stronger than a human's. Fact number 14. Wolves have excellent hearing. Fact number 15. They can hear sounds from several kilometers away. Fact number 16. Wolves have outstanding night vision. Fact number 17. They are mostly active at dawn and dusk. Fact number 18. Wolves are carnivores. Fact number 19. They hunt deer, elk, moose, and other animals. Fact number 20. Wolves often hunt together as a team. Fact number 21. Teamwork helps them catch larger prey. Fact number 22. Wolves can run up to 60 kilometers per hour, 37 miles per hour. Fact number 23. They can travel over 50 kilometers in a single day. Fact number 24. Wolves have powerful jaws. Fact number 25. Their bite is strong enough to crush bones. Fact number 26. Baby wolves are called pups. Fact number 27. Wolf pups are born blind. Fact number 28. The entire pack helps care for the pups. Fact number 29. Wolves are very loyal to their families. Fact number 30. They protect injured members of the pack. Fact number 31. Every wolf has its own unique howl. Fact number 32. Wolves use scent marking to define their territory. Fact number 33. A wolf's territory can cover hundreds of square kilometers. Fact number 34. Wolves are excellent swimmers. Fact number 35. They can cross rivers while hunting. Fact number 36. Wolves can survive in forests, mountains, tundras, and grasslands. Fact number 37. Their thick fur keeps them warm in freezing temperatures. Fact number 38. A wolf's fur changes with the seasons. Fact number 39. Wild wolves usually live 6 to 8 years. Fact number 40. In captivity, they can live over 15 years. Fact number 41. Wolves play an important role in keeping ecosystems healthy. Fact number 42. They help control prey populations. Fact number 43. Wolves rarely attack humans. Fact number 44. They usually avoid people. Fact number 45. Habitat loss threatens some wolf populations. Fact number 46. Many countries protect wolves by law. Fact number 47. Wolves have inspired countless myths and legends. Fact number 48. They are symbols of strength, loyalty, and teamwork. Fact number 49. Scientists continue studying wolf behavior in the wild. Fact number 50. Wolves are among the most intelligent, social, and fascinating predators on Earth. Which wolf fact amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal facts every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.